Hey, thanks for stopping by. So I was out here mowing today and I came across three areas where it looks like there's something buried in my backyard and I can barely see the tops of them. So I'm gonna get out the shovel and start digging and see what's going on. So this looks like it's going to be a paver. I'm just trying to dig to see if I can find the edge of it, and looks like there's a edge there. And I'm gonna try to dig this up and see how big it is. Yep, what we got here is definitely a paver. Now I'm just going to reach my hand in there and see if I can feel the edge of another paver or anything like that, but looks like this one's good. Alright, on to the next one here. This one's looking like a paver as well, so let's dig this one out. This is definitely a big paver. Look how thick this one is. But if it's in pretty good condition, then I can just reuse it. Yeah, it's all in one piece. So I bet you're noticing a trend at this point, that there's pavers buried in my backyard. But what I dug up on this one really surprised me. This one's falling apart, and it looks like there's some metal in there. Just go ahead and pull this one out. This one's a little tougher. Seems to be stuck on something. There it goes. Just gotta work it out a little bit. Whoa, look at that. So it looks like there's multiple pieces held together with some metal, or this used to be one solid piece and the metal was just used to hold everything together, but this is definitely junk and going in the trash. So I didn't think when I woke up this morning that I would find myself elbow deep in my backyard, but here we are. So I'm just going to search around and see if I can find the edge of another paver or pull out any other debris that might be down there. Alright, so now I've got some holes to fill in. And I've got some extra dirt here behind my garage that came from a tree that I had planted last year in my front yard, so I thought it would come in handy at some point, and it looks like it is now. Hey, look at that. A little beetle. Doesn't look like he's moving, so I'm not sure if he's dead or playing dead, but I'll go ahead and put him back where I found him. Alright, paver's out, holes filled back in. Looks like I'm about done here, but I do have a pile of pavers I need to deal with. This one can go into the trash. Don't need that one. This is a good one, and I'll keep that one. And I'll put it with the rest of the ones that I found buried in my backyard. Look at all those. All those pavers you see there were buried in my backyard. And that isn't half of them. Not even close. All of the pavers that you see here were also found buried somewhere in our backyard. And this still isn't even all of them. Anyway, let's get back to cleaning up. Well, thanks for stopping by. I really appreciate you spending your time watching this video. Please feel free to subscribe or leave a comment, and I'll be sure to get back with you. Thanks. Take care.